Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I am participating in a dollhouse challenge today. YouTuber Grandma Sandy invited me to participate in this dollhouse challenge, and I want to participate and show you what I've got. I have this one house that I'm going to walk you through all the rooms, and a lot of it is handmade. Most of it. You do have some furniture in here that I've collected through the years, but most of it is handmade. Now back to YouTuber Grandma Sandy. Why don't you check out her channel? It's amazing. She has garden settings and tea settings. She has fairy settings. Beautiful. And the tea sets that she has, floral, and oh my god, the colors. She sets up these nice tables, and she even gives you tips on saving and motivates you to do it. And she has the channel in combination with her daughter Debbie, so they both have this channel, and it is awesome. So I send you back to her. If you're one of my subscribers and you don't know her, you can go over there and check out her channel. I'm sure you'll love it. So I thank Grandma Sandy. Thank you, Grandma Sandy and Debbie, for allowing me to participate today. Okay, so let's take a look inside. So I'm going to show you room by room. Now, here we have a living room, battery operated light from the Dollar Tree. This sofa I bought at Hobby Lobby, but the rug, do you know what the rug is? The rug is a mask, and that came by coincidence because I had the furniture set, but I bought some masks at Walmart and they were too small for me, and I realized that, oh my god, I have the furniture that matches it. So that's what it is now, a rug for this set. The TV was from Hobby Lobby. Some of the pieces I've had from my collection. These are chess pieces right here. The clock was 50 cents at a yard sale. The background over there was from a magazine, so it looks like another dimension. Back there, see this black unit right there? That's just these plastic boxes, squares that connect together like Legos, and I just made a unit out of it. I had some big beads with a hole in the middle, and I added some artificial plants to it. So I just made my own decor. Then here on the wall, I got those images from magazines, and then I just took some colorful cardboard and made frames for it. Then these little tiny furniture there are part of my collection. I go to flea markets a lot, thrift shops, yard sales, and I get all that stuff for really cheap. I really don't spend a lot. Then over here, this is one of those boxes where you get like a ring, and look at that. Look at how that becomes a nice table, a nice little table for a lamp or a plant or whatever. I just love those boxes. And the flooring is a chess set board, wooden board. So that's that room. Then up here I have a bathroom. This bathroom, the shower back there is handmade. I took a file folder as the background, took a hook, placed it upside down to make it look like the water comes out from there. This green piece is an air freshener from the Dollar Tree. The tub is the interior of a gift box, of a jewelry box. Then these are eau de cologne from the Dollar Tree, which go great in there. Here, the tissue paper in the wastebasket, that's real toilet paper, all shredded up in shampoo cap, bottle cap. Then this here is a sink, one of those sinks where you can wash your sneakers and wash things like that. The sink itself That was really part of a copier, a copy machine. And then I added a hook upside down to make it look like a sink. Then on this side, that's the interior of a jewelry box. And it was big enough for me to fit in the washer, which was a salt and pepper, unit. And then this one was just a box, but I had to get a printout of like a dryer to make it the dryer. This over here looks like towels, but that's where you insert your rings. Remember I said this is the interior of a jewelry box, so you insert your rings in there. And then the Tide and all that, those are just little labels little printouts. And then I take objects where I can, glue them to. Up here, those are little fishies that belong to my mom. I mean, a lot of you know that she passed away, and I have a lot of her stuff. So I put it in my dollhouses. Then back there, those 3 green pieces are magnets. So to me, they look like light fixtures. The sink, you see 4 of them, right? That's a napkin ring holder. 4 napkin rings came in there. So I took a base. This base here is from my husband's shampoo. I mean, not shampoo, I'm sorry, deodorant. So the other day he was going to throw one out, and I said, no, don't throw it out. I could do something with that. And he laughed. So back there where the water comes out, again, it's hooks upside down. That's all it is. And the background here, that gray background, that's from the Hot Pockets. It's like kind of like a glossy cardboard where the Hot Pockets come, the ones ham and cheese that you eat. So that was it. And then up here I have the man cave. Working computers, those I got at Michael's at Halloween time. They were a little expensive. They were like $20 for both, but I didn't have computers in my entire collection, and I felt like I gotta have them. So I did that and I bought them. Then I made the sofa over there. Took some printouts from the computer. This one I colored in with coloring pencils. That's why you see color in there. The window is also from a printout. The walls are from a tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. The black and white walls. Then I placed some border up there. It's from a file folder, black and white. Dollar Tree lighting. What else? All these little items here belong to my mom, like the Statue of Liberty. Then that little dragon there. I had a violin. Alright, so let's move on to the next room because I don't want to run out of space or anything like that. Now this room, this is a partition here. I made it a partition, but it's really a metal card holder. So I figured it kind of divides the changing area from the room. There's a rack here with handmade bags. And look at this beautiful piece right there. See it? It's a woman holding up a mirror. And it goes great in here. Then those vases, those are bros. Some of them belong to my mom and some of them were mine. They're pins in the back. So I have a few of them. Look how pretty they are. The lamps back there. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, look at that lamp. The lamp is a drum. You get them at Christmas time. You get like 12 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. The middle part is a magnet and the base is also magnetic. So that's why these two stick together. But then the drum, I had to take some glue and stick it to the transparent piece. So I made a lamp out of it. And I used one of those jewelry boxes. And being that they're cardboard, I took some nails and I made the legs. So the legs are nails. So then over here I have autocollants. The dresser is plastic. I just took some fabric to make it, revive and stand out. So that's it for this room. Then over here I have the office. This one is an office. Back there, this is a musical box. I bought it at an estate sale for 50 cents. And that's one of my best buys, 50 cents. Sometimes, they sell things that you know, they're not really paying attention to what they're selling because they want to just get rid of stuff. And that's how you get it for cheap. Then over here, look at the water cooler. This is a little perfume bottle upside down, and I made a hole in a box that I covered with duct tape. That's all that is. This is another box, and it's standing alone with nails in the bottom. I have another one right here. See it? The TV is not a TV, it's an alarm. One of those alarms. Back there I have another clock. One of those clocks that I got at yard sales. Beautiful. And the background is part of a magazine plus some real books. Then the printer is also part of a copier. Those pieces that the technicians throw out sometimes. So that's what it is. And the desk was also part of a copier. Metal pieces that were thrown out, and I took them and I said, this looks like a table to me. So let's go down here to the last room, which is the kitchen. Look at this beautiful kitchen. I used a marble chessboard as the flooring, and the table is a phone cover. You can see it's a phone cover. And then there are 2 shot glasses back there as the seating area. The turkey is not a turkey. It's a pirate hat upside down. Maybe I can take it out so you can see what I mean. See? It's a pirate hat. But I covered the pirate part and put it in aluminum foil and just colored it with brown marker just to make it look like a turkey. And look at that. Look at the stove over there. All that was done from a toothpaste box. The refrigerator was from a soap box. The microwave is a razor box. A little razor box. And then I made my own shelving up there with just miscellaneous pieces that I have around. And that's a fastener right there. Let me point to it so you can see what I'm talking about. This here is one of those paper fasteners. So that's all that is. There is so much that you can do handmade. Well, I think this is it. We're going to close it up, but let me show you from far. This is what it looks like. And this house cost me $25 in one of the flea markets. And like you saw, a lot of it was handmade ideas. So that's it. That is it. I'll be coming back with more videos. I have another house over there and another house over there. And let me take you quickly upstairs so you can see my 7 other houses. The video would be too long if I show you all of them. That's why I only showed you that one that I showed you downstairs. But in here, in this room, I have the other ones. I have one there. That was one of those pink houses that I converted into my own. Then that one was another. This one was, I think, $30 at a flea market. That one over there, my hubby made. The one on top I'm working on. That one was $25 at a thrift shop. And down there, there's a metal one for $10. Then here, this one was also $25. And I'll be back with more videos because I'm still working on the rooms. And thank you again, Grandma Sandy, for allowing me to participate in this challenge. And thank you all for watching.